Style isn't about chasing the latest trend, it's about looking current without trying too hard. And when you're over 40, that balance matters more than ever. Because the truth is, nothing will age you faster than hanging on to pieces that should have stayed in the past. And Lou, I get it, you've built a wardrobe over the years, it's comfortable, it feels familiar. But some of those old favorites, they're quietly working against you. But this isn't about throwing everything out or dressing like someone you're not. It's about avoiding the 12 biggest style mistakes that make men over 40 look outdated in 2025, and upgrading to sharp, modern alternatives that work at any age. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Overly skinny jeans. Remember when skinny jeans were everywhere? Rock stars, college kids, even your buddy from accounting was strutting around like he was in a boy band. Fast forward to 2025, and if you're still wearing jeans so tight they cut off circulation, you're not looking fashionable. You're looking like you're clinging to the past for dear life. Here's the issue. Overly skinny jeans don't just look dated. They age you in the worst way. They exaggerate every line of your body, and not in a flattering way. If you've got athletic legs, they look crammed in. If you don't, they make you look like a lollipop. Big up top, tiny down below. And let's not ignore the comfort factor. Sitting down shouldn't feel like an Olympic event. The upgrade? Slim, straight, dark denim. Notice the difference? Not skinny, not baggy, just clean, tailored, and flattering. A slim, straight cut gives you shape without strangling your thighs, and a dark wash instantly elevates your look. Dress them up with a blazer or keep it casual with a fitted crew neck tee. Either way, you look current without trying too hard. Here's the secret. Real style after 40 is about balance. Slim, not tight. Modern, not trendy. Comfortable, but sharp. Skinny jeans, they scream, "I'm desperately trying to stay relevant." Slim, straight jeans, they whisper, "I know exactly who I am." If your jeans look like body paint, it's time to let go. Trade the spray-on denim for something timeless and breathe easy. Chapter 2. Baggy cargo shorts. Ah yes, the cargo short. Beloved by dads, clung to by comfort seekers, and single-handedly responsible for millions of men looking 15 pounds heavier every summer. Let's be honest, cargo shorts were never really stylish, they were just convenient. All those pockets felt like a feature in 2005. But now? They make your lower half look like it's under construction. Oversized flaps, boxy fit, long length. You're not dressing for a cookout. You're dressing like the cookout. Most of them hang below the knee, balloon out at the sides, and throw off your proportions completely. And unless you're actively carrying tools, a phone charger, your sunglasses, and half your glove box in your shorts, you don't need that kind of bulk. Here's the better play, tailored chino shorts. Slight taper, clean finish, and they hit just above the knee. They come in grown man colors like navy, tan, olive, gray. No camo, no neon stitching. Just clean, simple structure that flatters your shape instead of hiding it. Pair them with a polo or a short sleeve button-up, and boom. You're summer ready without looking like you wandered out of a Bass Pro shop. And if you really do need extra storage, bring a bag. It's 2025. Stylish men carry stuff without strapping it to their thighs. Cargo shorts might feel practical, but they look prehistoric. Upgrade to modern shorts that work with your body, not against it. Chapter 3. Flashy logo tees and graphic shirts. Look, if your t-shirt is shouting louder than you are, it's a problem. Oversized logos, cartoon graphics, ironic slogans, they all scream, "I'm stuck in 2009. That giant chest logo, it's not signaling confidence, it's broadcasting insecurity. Here's the real issue, loud tees kill versatility. You can't dress them up. Throw a blazer over one, and instead of edgy, you look like you forgot to change after mowing the lawn. So what's the upgrade? High-quality solid color t-shirts in premium cotton or merino wool. Black, white, navy, charcoal. These shades are timeless and pair with everything. They drape better, feel better, and last longer than those bargain bin logo tees that fade after 2 washes. And don't forget, fit matters. Skip the sausage casing or the oversized box. Aim for a trim cut that follows your shape without clinging. By the way, I've linked my favorite tees below, including Pima cotton and merino wool options that deliver durability, comfort, and a sharp, grown-up look. These are the exact pieces I'd recommend for building a modern casual wardrobe. Your t-shirt shouldn't be the loudest thing in the room. Retire the novelty graphics and invest in something that says confidence, not clearance rack. Chapter 4. Chunky dad sneakers or foam shoes. If your sneakers look like orthopedic moon boots or foam clogs that double as boat anchors, we need to talk. And yes, this includes Crocs. Don't even try the "they're comfortable" excuse. So are pajamas, but you're not wearing those to dinner either. Chunky sneakers and foam monstrosities add bulk, throw off your proportions, and make your outfit look like a bad meme. They don't say modern comfort. They say, "I gave up somewhere between the couch and the car." So here's the upgrade. Minimalist sneakers in leather or suede. White, gray, navy. These shades are your friends. They look sharp with jeans, chinos, even tailored shorts. The design? Clean lines, no neon panels, no alien-looking shapes. You want timeless, not TikTok trendy. And skip cheap knockoffs. A well-made sneaker not only looks better, it lasts. And yes, you can dress them up. Pair them with dark denim and a blazer for smart casual that feels effortless, not forced. Crocs and dad sneakers have one home, the backyard. If you wouldn't wear slippers to a cocktail party, stop wearing rubber clogs to brunch. Upgrade your kicks and watch how much cleaner your entire look gets. Chapter 5. Cheap, shiny dress shirts. Remember those glossy satin shirts from the early 2000s? Bright royal blue, fire engine red, or metallic silver? If one's still in your closet, it's time to let it go. Here's why. Shiny dress shirts don't make you look sharp. They make you look like you're heading to a Vegas nightclub. They cling in the wrong places, reflect light like a disco ball, and feel like plastic. Pair one with jeans and square toe shoes, and you've got the ultimate 2008 guy's night out costume. The upgrade? A crisp, matte cotton dress shirt. Think Oxford cloth or poplin, breathable, structured, and timeless. And stick to classic colors, white, pale blue, or muted patterns like soft stripes or micro checks. They look clean, sharp, and never go out of style. Fit matters most. The shirt should contour your shoulders and taper slightly at the waist. No billowing, no pulling. A great shirt makes your blazer sit better, your tie look sharper, and your whole outfit feel intentional. Trust me, shiny shirts belong in the style graveyard, so replace them with a quality matte dress shirt, and you'll look modern, confident, and completely in control. Chapter 6. Giant belt buckles and logo belts. If your belt buckle can double as a small serving tray, or worse if it's encrusted with rhinestones, it's time for a style intervention. Huge buckles and screaming logo belts were a thing back when everyone wanted to look like they just left a WWE match. In 2025, they're the fastest way to make your outfit look like a time capsule from 2006. Here's the deal. Accessories should support your outfit, not steal the spotlight. A giant buckle drags all attention to your waistline, and unless you've got a six-pack carved from marble, that's not where you want people looking. And those big designer logo belts, let's be honest, they don't make you look rich. They make you look like you want to look rich. There's a difference. The upgrade? A sleek, high-quality leather belt with a minimal buckle. Matte finish. No gold-plated monstrosities. And yes, the color matters. Match it to your shoes. Black with black dress shoes, brown with brown loafers. It's simple math that most guys ignore. The best belt is the one that disappears into the outfit. It quietly does its job without screaming for attention. If someone compliments your belt, it should be because it's elegant and understated, not because it looks like a rodeo trophy. Loud belts don't project confidence, they project desperation. Real style is subtle. Ditch the dinner plate buckles and step into something that whispers class, not chaos. Chapter 7. Old school club wear. Remember the early 2000s club scene? Shiny satin shirts, metallic fabrics, deep V-necks that plunged halfway to your navel? Yeah, that era ended when flip phones did. But some guys are still clinging to these night-out relics like they're a ticket to looking youthful. The real issue here is that those glossy, stretchy shirts don't scream sophistication. They scream bottle service promoter. And the deep V-neck? It's less about confidence and more about desperation to show off chest hair or a chain you probably shouldn't be wearing. This look makes you seem like you're trying to party with people half your age. Instead of making you look cool, it highlights the one thing you're trying to hide, that you're trying too hard. The upgrade? A casual button-up or a refined polo. Linen for summer, brushed cotton for cooler nights. Stick to solid colors or subtle patterns like micro checks or soft stripes. Leave the shine for your shoes and watches, not your shirts. A polo in merino wool or a cotton blend works great for upscale casual. It's comfortable, it breathes, and it doesn't blind people under club lights. And for the love of good taste, keep the neckline reasonable. No one needs to see your sternum on a Tuesday night. Confidence isn't in the shimmer or the plunge. It's in wearing something that fits, flatters, and whispers style instead of screaming for attention. Chapter 8. Square toe dress shoes. Square toe shoes are the zombie of men's fashion. They just won't die. They were everywhere in the late 90s, and somehow they're still lurking in closets. Because the truth is, nothing dates you faster than a shoe that looks like it was designed in a Minecraft lab. In case you were wondering what's so bad about them, it's the fact that they wreck your proportions. Shoes should streamline your look, not make your feet look like bricks. Wear them with a suit and suddenly your sharp tailoring looks like a rental tux from prom night. Those square-toe loafers with thick rubber soles? They make every outfit look like it's working overtime at a casino in 2002. The fix? Almond toe or round toe shoes. They're classic, flattering, and timeless. Stick with sleek silhouettes and quality leather, Oxfords for formal, Darbys for versatility, loafers for casual polish. Rich brown works with almost everything. Black is your go-to for dressy occasions. But if you want a little personality, try Oxblood. It's bold without being loud. I've linked a couple of my favorite dress shoes below. These are the exact pairs I'd recommend if you want style that lasts for years without wasting money on trendy gimmicks. Just remember, square toes belong in the style graveyard. Upgrade your footwear game, and you'll instantly elevate everything from jeans to suits. Chapter 9. Bulky hoodies with giant logos. Let's talk hoodies. Comfortable? Absolutely. But here's where things go wrong. Giant, shapeless hoodies with logos the size of billboards. The ones that look like a freebie from your college gym, or something you dug out of the clearance bin. The issue is that they kill your proportions. Oversized hoodies add bulk where you don't want it, making your torso look like a padded rectangle. Add a screaming logo across the chest, and now you look like a walking advertisement. Not a grown man with great style, and don't even try pairing them with jeans and calling it casual cool. It's not. It's lazy. Here's a more modern move. Go for a slim, structured hoodie, or better yet, a clean crew neck sweatshirt in premium cotton or merino wool. I'm talking neutral tones like navy, gray, charcoal, or olive. Keep it simple. No giant graphics, no bold branding. Just clean lines and quality fabric. These pieces work because they're versatile. Layer under a bomber or denim jacket for an easy weekend look, or pair with dark chinos for a sharp casual vibe. The fit should skim your frame, not drown it. Comfort doesn't have to mean sloppy, and after 40, that distinction matters. Bottom line, your hoodie should look intentional, not like something you grabbed off the floor. Ditch the billboards and the bulk, and upgrade to a piece that proves casual can still look sophisticated. Chapter 10. Novelty socks. Gentlemen, let's talk socks. If yours feature cartoon characters, tacos, or glow-in-the-dark stripes, it's not quirky, it's childish. Novelty socks had their moment when influencers thought turning your ankles into a circus was cool. That moment ended years ago. In 2025, SpongeBob socks under a tailored suit aren't ironic, they're embarrassing. Here's why: socks are small, but they grab attention when you least expect it. Cross your legs in a sharp outfit and suddenly everyone's staring. Not at your polished shoes, but at Pikachu peeking out from your cuff. It kills the whole look. You worked hard on your fit, and then you sabotaged it with a joke. So instead, go for some understated elegance. Solid socks in tonal shades: navy, charcoal, black, or deep brown. Want personality? Fine, choose subtle patterns like micro dots or a quiet herringbone. Something that whispers sophistication, not screams Comic-Con. Match socks to your trousers for a clean leg line, or complement your shoes for balance. Feeling bold? Tie them into your pocket square, but keep it tonal, not neon. Novelty socks don't say fun. They say, I'm still shopping at a gimmick store. If you want to look sharp, focus on the details that matter. Leave the cartoons in the past and step into something grown up. Chapter 11. Over-accessorizing. Look, the truth is piling on chains, stacking bracelets, and wearing rings on every finger isn't stylish. It's desperate. More jewelry doesn't make you look confident. It makes you look like you're trying way too hard. The issue with over-accessorizing is that it steals the spotlight. Instead of enhancing your look, it overwhelms it. And after 40, nothing says midlife crisis faster than a guy jingling like a wind chime. The fix? Keep it minimal. One clean watch, one simple bracelet, maybe a slim chain if that's your style. That's it. No oversized pendants, no pirate-level ring collections, no stacks of leather straps like you're stuck in 2006. Because subtle accessories look expensive even when they're not. They complement your outfit instead of competing with it. And here's a pro tip. Stick to one metal tone, silver, gold, or stainless steel, and match it to your belt buckle when possible. Confidence isn't loud. Ditch the jewelry overload and choose one or two quality pieces that speak quietly, but say a lot. Chapter 12. Oversized 90s jackets. The final offender today is oversized jackets straight out of the 90s. Puffy shoulders, boxy fits, sleeves so long they could double as oven mitts. These monstrosities do one thing: turn you into a walking rectangle. And because outerwear sets the tone for your whole outfit, you could be wearing the best sweater, jeans, and shoes of your life. But throw on a giant, shapeless jacket, and boom, instant downgrade. Those big silhouettes swallow your frame, erase your shape, and make you look sloppy. And let's not even talk about those shiny synthetic fabrics or neon panels some of these jackets came in. They weren't good then, they're worse now. So instead, go for a tailored bomber or Harrington jacket. Cropped at the waist, structured in the body, fitted through the sleeves. These jackets create shape instead of hiding it, making you look leaner, sharper, and 100% more current. And here's a pro tip. Go for matte fabrics like cotton blends, suede, or lightweight wool. Avoid reflective synthetics or bold color blocking unless you're intentionally going for a retro throwback. And let's be honest, that's a risky play. Stick with versatile shades like navy, olive, charcoal, or camel. They work with everything. Want versatility? A Harrington can handle smart casual dinners and weekend errands. A bomber? Perfect for jeans, chinos, or even tailored joggers. Both layer effortlessly over tees, polos, and button-ups, making them year-round staples. If your jacket could double as a camping tent or a parachute, it's time to let it go. Modern outerwear isn't about bulk, it's about balance. Get this right, and every outfit you wear underneath instantly levels up. And there you have it. 12 things men over 40 should never wear in 2025. No more skinny jeans, novelty socks, or jackets that look like parachutes. Because here's the truth. Style after 40 isn't about chasing trends. It's about leveling up. Clean, intentional choices that make you look sharp without trying too hard. If you spotted a few offenders in your closet, don't panic. This isn't about tossing everything and starting over. Just replace the wrong pieces with the right ones, one upgrade at a time. You'll see the difference, and so will everyone else. I've linked my favorite modern alternatives from today's video in the description below, so check those out if you're ready to step up your game. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? And which upgrade are you grabbing first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more style tips, and stick around. Because looking great over 40? It's not just possible, it's your new normal. Dress well, stay confident. See you in the next one.